channel Gayatri Elite Videos. In this video, I am explaining sample question paper 2 of social science. Question A. Attempt any 20 out of 24 questions. First one. Which incident shows that the army, that is conservatives, can be the architect of a nation? Answer is C. Unification of Germany. Second one. The Civil Code of 1804 is usually known as B. Napoleon Code. Third one. Identify who celebrated the national struggle through his operas and music, turning folk dances like the Polonaise and mazurka into national symbols. Answer is Karol Karpinski. Fourth one, the term Daswok means A. Common people. Fifth one, the Estate General was elected by the body of active citizens and renamed the D. National Assembly. Question 6. Choose the correctly matched pair of other names of slash and burn agriculture and their concerned places. B. Milpa, Mexico. Seventh question. Dash is the main reason of land degradation in Punjab. Answer is B. Over irrigation. Question 8. Which one among the following soil types is the result of intense leaching due to heavy rainfall? Answer is C. Laterite soil. Ninth one. House, Amman and Boro are the types of A. Paddy. 10th one. The Club of Rome advocated resource conservation in the year. Answer is D. 1968. 11th one. Which religion is followed by Sinhala speaking people? Answer is B. Buddhist. 12th question. Which is the capital city of Belgium? Answer is A. Brussels. 13th one. Which language is spoken by the majority of Belgians? Answer is B. Dutch. 14th question. What do you call the act of taking power from the state and central government and giving it to the local government? Answer is C. Decentralization. 15th question. When was the use of English for official purpose stopped? Answer is D. 1965. 16th question. Which groups reduces the possibility of conflict? Answer is C. Social groups. 17th question. Arrange the following in the correct sequence. First one is the parliament cannot on its own change this arrangement. Second one, then it has to be ratified by the legislatures of at least half of the total states. Third one, any change to it has to be first passed by both the houses of the parliament with at least 2/3 of majority. Fourth one, it is not easy to make changes to the power sharing arrangement. Answer is A. 4132. 18th question. Which of the following report is published by the UNDP to compare the country's education, health and per capita income level standards? C. Human Development Report. 19th one. Which of the following questions needs to be answered when thinking of national development? Answer is C. Would a development plan benefit a large or a small number of people? 20th one. Which of the following sectors is the largest producing sector in India? C. Tertiary sector. 21. The goods that are derived by exploiting natural resource are referred to as the goods of A. Primary sector. 22nd one. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because answer is B. It has adequate provision of basic health and education facilities. 23rd question. In World Development Reports brought out by the World Bank, which criteria is used in classifying countries? Answer is C. Per capita income. Question 24. Which of the following neighboring countries has better performance in terms of human development than India? Answer is B. Sri Lanka. Section B. Attempt any 18 out of 22 questions. So in that 25th question, which of the following aspect best signifies the above image of a street address in Belgium? Answer is D. Brussels has a separate government in which both the communities have equal representation. 26th question. Which of the following options are correct about the revolt of Silesian weavers? First one, the cause of the Silesian weavers uprising was the contractors cheating on the weavers. Second one, the contractors who supplied the weavers raw materials and gave order for finished materials reduced the payments of the weavers. Answer is C. 1 and 2. Question 27. Who helped Garibaldi in southern Italy to drive the Spanish rulers out? Answer is B. Peasants. 28. Identify the correct statement with regard to the Treaty of Vienna from the following options. Answer is D. France lost the territories it had annexed under Napoleon. Question 29. Identify the cropping season with the help of clues given below. Sown with the onset of monsoon, harvested in September, October. Major crops paddy, maize, groundnut, etc. Answer is A. Kharif. Question 30. Water renewable resources. Answer is C. They can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes. Question 31. Consider the following statements regarding the classification of resources on the basis of ownership and write the answer using the codes given below. First one is resources can be owned by individuals, resources can be owned by community, resources can be owned by tribal people, resources can be owned by internationally. Answer is D 1, 2 and 4. Question 32. Under which of the following type of resource can tidal energy be put? Answer is A. Replenishable. 33 question. Two statements are given in the question below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statement and choose the appropriate option. Assertion. From the very beginning, the French revolutionaries introduced various measures and practices like the idea of la patrie and le citoyen. Reason. This was done to create sense of collective identity amongst the French people. Answer is A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 34. Match the following items given in column A with those in column B. Answer is here D. That is, red and yellow soil is Chhattisgarh, arid soil is Western Rajasthan, laterite soil is Western Ghats, forest soil is Himalayan region. So our answer is D. Question 35. It is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Identify the type of farming by selecting the appropriate option. Answer is B. Intensive subsistence farming. Question 36. Identify the type of soil with the help of the following information. Generally contain more nutrients, moisture and humus, have better drainage and infiltration of water, and are easier to till. Answer is B. Alluvial soil. Question 37. Read the following statements and find the incorrect from the options given. European governments were not driven by a spirit of conservatism. Conservatives believed that established traditional institutions of state and society should be preserved. Most conservatives realized from the changes initiated by Napoleon that modernization could in fact strengthen traditional institutions like the monarchy. Answer is D. One only. Question 38. Identify the correct statements regarding the consequences of the Revolution of 1848. Britain was the main center of the Revolution of 1848 and it restored the monarchy. In Europe, it marked the end of the rule of Metternich and secured the system which had prevailed since 1815. Answer is D. None of the above. Question 39. Two statements are given in the question below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statements and choose the appropriate option. Assertion. Terrace cultivation does not restrict erosion. Reason. The running water cuts through the clay soils and make deep channels as gullies. This makes the land unfit for cultivation. Answer is D. A is false but R is true. Question 40. Choose the correct option from the following. Answer is C. Olive branch around the sword. Willingness to make peace. Question 41. Read the following data and information carefully and select the most appropriate answer from the given options. Sia was working in a shop as a helper. She was paid only the days when she is present on the shop. She was not paid even for Sundays. She has to work for 12 hours to get 1 day salary. She wants to take up a job in office which belongs to organized sector. Find the percentage of workers like Sia who are working in the unorganized sector in this city. Answer is D. 70%. Question 42. What was the occupation of Giuseppe Garibaldi before he was a revolutionary? Answer is A. Sailor in Merchant Navy. Question 43. A student read that the Sinhala community of Sri Lanka dominated Tamil people. The state also protected and promoted Buddhism. Find out the type of power sharing that these students saw. Answer is D. Majoritarianism. Question 44. According to 2019-20 data, people working in an unorganized sector are as follows. Primary sector 68%, secondary 22%, tertiary 10%. Out of the three sectors, why people from primary sector work in unorganized sector? Select the most suitable option from the following. Answer is A. Primary sector is not registered. Question 45. Two statements are given in the question below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statements and choose the appropriate option. Assertion. Power should reside with one person and group located at one place in a democracy. Reason. If the power is dispersed, it will not be possible to take decisions quickly and enforce it. Answer is D. A is false but R is true. Question 46. Anita realizes that judiciary is asking government to do many things even though no such case was put up in the court. This is an example of which type of checking of government by judiciary. Answer is A. Different organs of the government. Section C. Two case studies given. Total number of questions 12. Attempt any 10 questions. Kindly go through the above source. Question 47. Name power sharing among different organs of the government. Answer is A. Horizontal distribution of power. Question 48. Why power sharing in different organs of government system is called checks and balances? Answer is C. Both of the factors. Question 49. Fill in the blank from the given options. Power is shared among different dash of government such as legislature, executive and judiciary. Answer is B. Organs. Question 50. Find out the incorrect statements from the following options. Horizontal distribution of power does not allow different organs of government placed at the same level to exercise different powers. Such a separation ensures that none of the organs can exercise unlimited power. Each organ checks the others. This results in a balance of power among various institutions. Answer is D, one only. Question 51. What result in a balance of power among various institutions? Answer is A, horizontal distribution of power. Question 52. Two statements are given in the question below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statement and choose the appropriate option. Assertion, horizontal distribution of power because it allows different organs of government placed at the same level to exercise different powers. Reason, such a separation ensures that none of the organs can exercise unlimited power. Answer is A. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. One more source is given. Kindly go through. Question 53. What do people resent? D. Discrimination. 54. Read the following statements and find the incorrect from the given options. People want regular work and more income. Besides seeking more income, people also seek equal treatment. The quality of our life depends on material things only. Answer is A, 1 and 2. Question 55. There are many things that are not easily measured but they mean a lot to our lives, like. Answer is D, friends. Question 56. According to the information given above, there are many things that are not easily measured but they mean a lot to our lives. These are often ignored. Select the best suitable options from the following in reference to the contest. B. Friendship. Question 57. What are the important goals of the people with reference to the above contest? Infer the appropriate option. Answer is C. Both A and B. Question 58. Our quality of work depends on non-material things also. Identify the best suitable option depicting the same from the following. Answer is D. All of these. Question D consists of map questions. 2 also compulsory. Question 59. On the political map of India, A is marked as a dam. Identify it from the following options. Answer is B. Hirakud Dam. Question 60. On the same map, B is also marked as a major wheat producing state. Identify it from the following option. That is D. Haryana.